Hey guys, I want to introduce you to our new co-host, Scott Bromley. He's joining us as we ramp up to 3 TFN episodes per day. You may have heard Scott on his weekly podcast, The Comedy Button, or you also might remember him from his time over at IGN. We're happy to have you here.
Thanks.
Are you cool? You need anything?
I'm not cool because these lights are hot, but I'll be okay.
Well, you'll be fine.
All right.
See ya.
Thanks, Annie. And as a plea to the audience, whom I'm sure is furious, there's now a male co-host here on TFN. I know I'm not a beautiful woman, but if it helps quell your rage a little bit, I used to be overweight and I had a really nice set of boobs at one point, so please just go easy on me. All right, if there's one thing Facebook does really well, it's inundating your feed with endless photos of your friends having fun at parties you weren't invited to, or pictures of their exotic vacations you also weren't invited to, or shots of their food that you didn't get to eat. Well, over the weekend, Facebook made it even easier for you to share your own photos of fun, frivolity, and food the second you take a picture with your mobile device. It's called Photo Sync, and it allows all of the photos you take on your mobile device to be instantly synced to an album on your profile. And when Facebook says all of your photos, it really means all of your photos. Like those 5 random shots you took of the ground when you were drunk? Yep, uploaded to Facebook. Oh, and once you drunkenly figured out how to use the camera and took 15 pictures of yourself duck-facing in the mirror? Yeah, also uploaded to Facebook. PhotoSync even uploaded the photo that you took that was meant to be private. But before you panic and storm the Facebook offices for posting pictures of your naughty bits to the site, you should know that all of the photos you take are still kept private, even though they've been uploaded to Facebook and can only be seen by you on your feed until you choose to share them. Meaning once you've sobered up long enough to see what you've done the night before, you can go through your synced photos and click on the photos you want to share and delete the ones you don't. Facebook insists this new feature will not eat away at your data plan, citing that even though it will upload a photo every time you take one, it will only upload smaller file sizes, around 100K each, over 3G or 4G, and will take care of larger file sizes over Wi-Fi. Plus, photos will not sync when your battery is low, which is helpful if your battery was already drained from taking tons of photos and having them uploaded to Facebook on the fly. So what does this feature do for Facebook, other than giving them a potential glimpse at your drunken naked weekends? Well, it could give them a huge amount of photo metadata that will help them better target you with local business ads, or potentially use the photos to help them refine their facial recognition features, meaning photo tagging could become a thing of the past. If all this sounds a little too creepy to you, you can always decline the Photo Sync feature by clicking cancel on the Photo Sync banner currently at the top of your Facebook mobile feed. If you already enabled Sync and want to turn it off of an iPhone, open the Facebook app, go to your timeline, tap Photos, scroll to the bottom and tap Synced. Then tap the gear icon and choose Turn Off Photo Sync. Then tap Don't Sync My Photos. On Android, tap the top left main menu, scroll to the bottom and select Account App Settings, Sync Photos, then choose Don't Sync My Photos. All right, well, don't forget to enter today's Tech Feed t-shirt giveaway. Annie asked today's question in the morning episode about the 20th birthday of SMS. Watch that episode to find out the question and answer it in the comment section and earn a win. You can find that video to the left, or we'll have a link in the show notes below. And if you miss out on today's giveaway, we'll have another question tomorrow morning for another chance to win a Tech Feed t-shirt. For TFN, I'm Scott Bromley. Catch you on the flip-flop, Internet.